DREO, what makes air so special?
Well, you never see air. Yet it touches everything. It carries immense power. It can steer oceans, change landscapes, and has many shades. Without shape, yet it shapes everything. Your sleep, your mood, the closeness of a quiet moment, always around us, always in motion. So we learn to master it instead, to sense what you can't feel, to clear what you can't see, to make the invisible visible, to transform the air in every corner, precisely, quietly, until comfort no longer asks for attention. It is simply there. So you can just breathe and live. And I can set the atmosphere too. Because when life changes, air should change with it.
Fantastic.
DREO Air Purifiers. Master air beyond purity.